to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually deposit on your Bybit. In my previous video, I've actually recorded a video how to deposit via crypto. If you have crypto in your wallet, you can actually deposit on Bybit. Now, if you want to deposit via P2p, maybe Naira or your local currency, you can actually do that. Just come to this. If you have not signed up if you are here to sign up, use my link below this video to sign up on Bybit. So when you sign up, log in, then click on deposit. Now, when you click on deposit, you can see Naira. It's because I am from Nigeria, so whatever you are from, make sure you deposit. So I'm going to click on P2p. So make sure you watch my previous video. I've already recorded a video on how to deposit via what? Crypto. So I'll click on what? P2p. So we'll click on P2p. Now when you click on P2p, it will take you to where you can actually buy with your local currency. And you must not fall victim of this P2p. You know, if you are not used to P2p, you have to exercise more caution so that you will not fall into what scam. So I'm going to show you how you can actually avoid this avoid falling into scam. You can see. So we have the buy and sell. You can see we have the buy and the sell here, and we have your Naira. So whichever country you are from, just click on what? Click on the Naira, and you can change. You can actually pick your own currency here. If you are from Ghana, Cameroon, any country you are from, United States of America, any country, you can actually use your own. So because I am from Nigeria, so I'll go back. So let me go back. So now, if you want to buy through your local currency, like in Nigeria, in Naira, you know, we spend Naira in Nigeria, so I'll just do what? So you click on this amount. So click on amount here. You can click on amount. Now when you click on amount, so you click on amount. So you are going to enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 100,000. So if you click on confirm, it will give you those people that are selling within that range. You can see it will give you those people that are selling within that range. You can see that this first person here is selling between 4,500 to 100,000 naira. So you can actually what? If I click on buy, you can see that you can see this person is selling for 1,480 naira. You can see. So you just scroll down. So scroll down, you can see. So the person has completed 61 orders, and average release time is 2 minutes. So these are the information you have to look at. Then good rating is 100%, which is that this person is very good. So you can actually look at order rates. If you want to buy at this, you can look at order rate. I think it is the only one that is selling at 1,480 naira. You can, all these ones that you see ineligible. So you cannot buy from them. So just scroll down. Now, so look at this one. So this one is selling between 700,000 naira to 70,000 naira to 300,000 naira. 70,000 naira to 300,000 naira. You can see, and he's selling his own for 1,485 naira, which is 5 naira difference from the first person. So if you click on that one too, click on that one, then so let's say I want to buy. I'll just click on amount 100,000 naira. You can see 100,000 naira. So when you click on 100,000 naira, you get what? This amount of USDT. You can see. So that's now. Before you buy, make sure you scroll down and check the rating. You can see the rate. The person is having a 98% rating, and he has completed 2,554 orders. and 30-day order completion is 99%, and average release time is 3 minutes. So these are information you look at before you actually go to buy anything on P2p. So you can scroll down, you can see, you can scroll down, or you can actually what, if you can't find what you like, just come back to this amount again, and what, you can re-enter any amount that you want. So you can also check this. You can check filter. You can check filter to filter some data. So you can see when you click on that filter, it will show you some thing that you can do here. You can see it says show only verify advertiser, show only eligible ads. You can see, so these are so you can actually use this to filter out those people that you don't want to see. You can see, so these are a way to do what, to buy. So you know that when you do what, when you get someone that will buy, that will sell for you, make sure you do what, make sure you send the money from your account. Send the money to your account. You send the money from your account into the person's account. Then the person will now send the USDT to you. Bybit will act as intermediary between you that is buying and the seller that is selling. So you don't have anything to fear for. So there will be a timer for the transaction, and then the seller releases the USDT. Then Bybit will notify you that your USDT has been confirmed. So just come here and check it here. You see there. So now, if I get value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with. Thanks for watching. Bye.